For lunch, I'm making an egg white omelet. I took a half a cup of some Simply White egg whites. I added a little bit of pepper, a little bit of roasted garlic pepper, and some all-purpose spice. And I just let it cook on a medium heat. I flipped it over and I just sprinkled on about a teaspoon of the Zerto light Romano cheese. And that is still 0 smart points. Doesn't that look yummy? With it, I have my eggplant dip that you can check out. Very simple to make, with 2 slices of toasted Betty bread. And that's 2 smart points, 1 smart point each. For more side veggies, some cucumber and fresh fennel that I've cut up, and a slice of Edam light cheese. All right, so all you're counting is the bread and the cheese, and everything else will be 0. A nice big breakfast or lunch is super delicious, and that's for lunch. Hope this is helpful on your journey as well. Make sure that you have either veggies or fruit as a side, a healthy carb, and some protein. Love you guys. Continue to subscribe and visit me on my Weight Watchers group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa.